Already more than ₱1 billion in fuel subsidies have been distributed to BUV operators, and the LTFRB vows to continue to identify more recipients of the subsidies.
The LTFRB reports that of June 1, 2022, an estimated ₱1.17 billion in fuel subsidies have already been distributed to 180,061 of the 264,578 PUV operators identified as qualified to receive them. While acknowledging the complaints from operators who have yet to receive the subsidies, the LTFRB said it remains committed to help the land transport sector cope with the impact of rising fuel prices. The LTFRB said it was working to ensure qualified beneficiaries of the fuel subsidies from government service receive their share as soon as possible. It said that of the 84,157 beneficiaries still slated to receive the fuel subsidies, 57,841 have their payment being processed by the Land Bank of the Philippines. Meanwhile, the rest still have to get ADM cards from the LBP through which the subsidies will be coursed. At the same time, the Development Bank of the Philippines has already submitted to the LBP the list of 12,965 operators of delivery services who are also beneficiaries of fuel subsidies. The DBP said 9,552 delivery service operators have already received their fuel subsidies. Also to receive fuel subsidies are tricycle drivers. However, the LTFRB said it still has to receive a list of qualified beneficiaries from the Department of Interior and Local Government.
We have to trust the LTFRB, the DBP, and the LBP to ensure only qualified beneficiaries receive the fuel subsidies set aside for the land transport sector.